guess what broke again? Our landing jacks, not the motor, not the pin at the top of the landing jacks, but the screw snapped in half that holds.
Well, that one lasted a few years. It's broken on us before.
All right, now we're going to try to tighten this puppy.
Good thing we don't have a strict time schedule.
Still loose.
It always is.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I knew that.
Yeah, it always is.
And we'll leave these here because I'm sure we're going to need it for the pin.
Yeah, we are.
All right, let's try this and see what
Okay, I'm going to watch in here.
Watch the leg too at the same time.
Okay. It's going up. And it's going around. There you go.
And I think we're close.
Yep, pretty close. Okay.
Look at that. That one just went right in.
Fun stuff.
Now, is this one going to go in?
Well, I guess we'll find out. We always have so much fun, honey.
Here we go.
Uh-oh.
Almost.
Almost. It's not coming out the hole. It's oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. It's in.
Oh my goodness.
Woohoo! Well, we might want to keep those like right there.
Tommy Tool Day.
Oh, yikes. Well, thankfully we had extra bolts that are specific for that thing, because the bar in here, because it shears off. So
okay, let's finish and get going.
now I need to recheck my checklist. Wait, this stuff needs to go in.
No, we're just going to leave it.
No, we're not.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
So you went ahead and you have to find where we are with the checklist.
Yeah, and this is why even into year 9 we still use a checklist. We had issues with the front landing jacks, so we kind of did some things out of order, and I want to go back and make sure we don't miss anything.
But we got the landing jack solved.
Yes, we got that solved. Thankfully, we are prepared and have extras of things. So that's a good tip, is to have extra bolts that go into certain places, all that kind of stuff.
We should put a name on this and call it Tom.
Tom?
Blockhead Tom.
Ready to go. We're leaving Tonopah, heading to Pahrump. Continue on US 6. A little bit longer drive today. Normally we would stop in Beatty at the pond, but we are on a time sensitive schedule at the moment because of our slide issue. So we're just going to travel a little bit longer today. Stop. Okay, clear after that car.
I'm sorry, there's a truck.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm letting you know what's clear over here.
Yeah, well.
GoPro, stop recording. Alrighty, we're leaving Pahrump. Not Pahrump, Tonopah. Tonopah. Heading to Pahrump. There's the boondocking area where we normally go if we're boondocking. There's the sign. baby. How's my baby girl?
That's a good girl. That's a good girl. We made it.
We made it.
After that fiasco, we made it. Hey, it's all part of the
Fiasco?
adventure.
What fiasco?
It's all part of the adventure.
It is. So, we are here in Pahrump.
Parum.
Just for a couple nights at our Boondockers Welcome.
Mm-hmm.
We have stayed here a couple times before. We love these guys.
Yep.
Jim and Melinda, they're wonderful.
Yep.
So we are still dealing with issues, so we have to get moving on down the road for some help.
One more big issue to solve. We got the piece of equipment in the mail delivered yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll hopefully have it fixed here in a few more days.
We hope.
We hope.
We hope.
That'll be another fun video.
We will see ya then.
Take your banner